Why is admin hiring all about who you know? Or is that even true? A lot of people are concerned that other people are known to the interview team or the people doing the screening. They have connections. And they personally do not have those connections. And they're wondering, like, can I get this job? Can I break into this district if I don't have any connections there? And I think the answer is yes. But I also think we have to recognize the value of your network. Let's get into it. So I get questions like this all the time. Kevin asks, how can I get hired when it's all about who you know? Like, the thing is, Kevin's not really wrong here. It is kind of all about who you know, in the sense not of inappropriate like nepotism or things like that, but in the sense that networking does make a difference. Hiring is an information problem. When you extend a job opportunity to someone, you've got to trust them. You've got to believe that they are going to do a good job. And one way to have confidence that they're going to do a good job is, to already know them, right? There's definitely the possibility in the hiring process that someone can fool you and get a job that they're not going to succeed at. So networking is a legitimate form of obtaining information and obtaining access to opportunities. And that's never going to change, right? People are always going to rely on their networks. The thing is, for you as an individual candidate, it doesn't feel great to not have that network working in your favor, right? Like, it feels like it's some sort of inappropriate ill force when it's benefiting other people and not you. But I think that's just a matter of perspective. I think we've got to flip that perspective around and say, like, how can I develop my own network? How can I build relationships that will do some of the heavy lifting for me, that will open doors for me so that people have confidence that I will do a good job for them if I apply for a job, even if I've never worked in that district before. One way you can build that network is to ask for recommendation letters. See, a lot of people don't want to ask because they think it's an imposition and they think, well, I'm not actually having my references checked yet. I'm not a finalist yet, so I don't want to bother people. And I don't really want to let them know that I'm looking. I think that is a mistake. I think it is critical to activate your network as early as possible in the job search process, because those people that you ask for recommendation letters are going to start putting out feelers for you. They're going to put in a good word for you. We have a graphic called the Ascend Trail Map that kind of outlines the different stages in landing an admin job. And the second stage is recruit your references. It's all about activating your network so that they can start working for you. And if you don't have any network at all, you've got to start building that network.